exactly am I supposed to get you dressed like that, Kai? We had that diaper changed. Think you could lay still, buddy? You think you could lay still? Did I miss my second? You said as still as you go. What are you doing? You doing an exercise routine? You like a workout routine before bed? You do? I can't exactly get his clothes on him. He won't stop. I didn't get him fired up. I put him on a changing pad. I'm not exactly sure that fired him up. Score! Touchdown! Touchdown! I'm gonna all out before I swaddle straight jacket you up. You done? You done? Did you get it all out? Did you get it all out? Hi. Oh, that's your hand. I know. I'm gonna put it down. And I'm gonna straight jacket it up and wrap it all around. Yeah, and then we're gonna go sleep. And we're gonna sleep. Let's go for 12 hours tonight. Wouldn't that be so good? So you're getting all your moves out so we can sleep for 12 hours. Yay! That's what Mommy would say. Mommy would say, yay! If we did 12 hours. Yeah, I would. I'll take 8. I'll take 8 hours. 6 was nice last night. What are you doing, crazy? I think you're way overtired. I think we need to go that night. You ready for bed? You getting a little aerobic exercise in before bed? You getting a little aerobic exercise in before bed? Easy day. Ooh, that's a good move. Ooh, touchdown! 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 What has gotten you all fired up? What did Mommy eat? Did I eat too much sugar or something? Did I eat too much sugar? Oh, touchdown! There's the hand. There's the hand. Hey, you think you stop long enough for Mommy to get you dressed? I don't know how to get that leg on with you moving around like that. Oh, this is how you got so strong, huh? This is how you get so strong? That's what you did in Mommy's belly. You kicked and danced and moved like that. I felt it all the time. All the time. Okay.